My name is Tom Simpson and I am from around Cookstown, and I thought the course would be good for me as I really had an interest in engineering, and it was good in the terms of got lots of practical experience and things like that that are really useful in industry. I now work in an actual company where I'm doing engineering, so it's turned out very useful. I'm now doing a part-time degree in Ulster, Mechatronics, so it's a combination of all three. It's very useful, and that's basically why I thought it'd be good. It's a good stepping stone to get to where I need to be. I was tested in lots of my skills, my problem-solving skills, my CAD skills, design skills too. Lots of teamwork was needed for it as well. Couldn't have done it just by myself, so it's definitely something that required a lot of teamwork, and was good experience overall. Learned many things I can apply now to my work that I'm doing myself. Hopefully just take over more projects and be more overall efficient with things I'm doing and things like that. Hopefully bring more innovative products to the actual market itself. I've already started to design some of my own things for people, so hopefully it'll just go more along that line, bigger and better things, of course. It's definitely helped me, and it's been very good, very interactive. All the directors or lecturers are good and responsive.